How to make an easy hot water cornbread my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Are you ready? Come on, let's go. Using a pot, add your water and turn your stove to a high temperature. Your water is ready when it reaches a rolling boil. Using a bowl, add the cornmeal, the flour, salt, the baking powder, the sugar, and your softened butter. Mix all of the ingredients well until they appear to have a crumb-like texture. Please be advised to practice extreme caution when using extremely hot water. This step is very important. The extremely hot water cooks the cornbread from the inside. The skillet frying completes the cooking on the outside of the hot water cornbread. Just be careful, guys. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Let's go. Add 1 cup of hot water to your cornmeal batter. Stir carefully until the water is completely absorbed by the cornmeal. Your goal is to achieve a thick batter that will stick together and not fall apart. Add 1 teaspoon of hot water at a time until the cornmeal batter reaches a thick consistency. Now add some cold water and ice cubes to a small bowl. Cover your hands completely with the ice cold water. Using a spoon or a scoop, place the hot water cornbread into the palm of your hand. Shape your hot water cornbread into any shape that you prefer. I normally prefer the round biscuit shape for my hot water cornbread. Put your cornbread in a refrigerator for no longer than 10 minutes. Using a skillet on medium to high heat or between the numbers 4 and 5, add your oil to your skillet. Now carefully add your hot water cornbread to your skillet. Your hot water cornbread will cook between 3 to 4 minutes on each side. When the edges become crispy, it is now time to flip them over. When your hot water cornbread is done, place them on some paper towels to drain any excess oil. Then transfer them to your favorite platter, or place them in the oven of 200 degrees to keep them warm. And here you have it, hot water cornbread my way. Crispy on the outside, moist on the inside. You have to give this recipe a try. Easy hot water cornbread my way. You know what time it is. Stop playing. This is DESHANTA B. Thank you guys so much for watching. You are so greatly appreciated. Check out music producer MARQ the Infinite. Contact him through his Gmail and SoundCloud. And you know what I'm about to say. You know what time it is. Stop playing. Until next time. Bye guys.